I believe that 2015 is going to be a year of significant service innovation, fueled by the abundance of IT capabilities around us and driven by a demand for greater flexibility, transparency, and a shift in expectations in time to value realization for everyone involved. The challenge is that everything in production today was based on a scarcity model. We're going to have to break out and assess what could be done and turn it into a plan for what must be done. We need to understand the unique scarcity and abundance of each organization and take advantage. If the computing capabilities are unconstrained, that will allow you to have greater insight and information about what's going on, then what's holding back your organization? What remains scarce, for example? The value of many of the technologies we're just deploying in 2014 are actually going to shift in 2015. For example, the infrastructure as a service that's at the foundation of cloud is not going to be sufficient. You're going to have to move up the stack into software as a service and eventually into real service-oriented interactions within your business and between your partners. The analytic solutions that are based on time to insight, you're going to have to shift to embrace the concept of automation and shift to being measured by time to action instead and in the value that it generates. The Internet of Things is going to bring even more data into an organization that's flooded with data. The concept of how to use that and consume it to make value, to generate value, is going to need to shift. The opportunities for businesses is that there's possibilities for new interactions, new collaboration, not just with people, but with the Internet of Things, the devices that are out there, as well as the cognitive computing agents that can automate and improve the performance of organization as a whole. New creative models are going to be needed where we no longer think of the batch or mass production approach and instead focus on the unique situations of the individual as well as the company itself. And these models are going to have to focus on generating new types of value and things like attention engineering, focusing on the shifts in the processes, the roles, and the individuals within the organization. So the call to action really for 2015 is to shift from the way current business is currently done and to question the status quo, to focus on communicating that new vision to others and adjust and after listening to their response in case they have other insights that are applicable to your thought process, and to build context of what needs to happen for the business, for its employees, and the market as a whole. Thank you.